Looking for the best electric bike to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Narrak Fat Tire e-bike. Apartment dwellers understand the storage struggle. The Narrak's folding frame tucks neatly into closets or under desks, solving the common space dilemma for urban riders. Those seeking a similarly compact yet fun rides may also want to check out the best hoverboards for effortless short-distance alternatives. Its 500W motor, peaking at 915W, reaches 28 miles per hour, while the 13Ah battery handles typical commutes without range anxiety. Fat tires absorb urban road imperfections that would normally rattle your teeth. The Shimano 7-speed tackles everything from flat streets to unexpected hills. For stopping, 160mm mechanical brakes do the job adequately. That impossible choice between transportation and living space disappears when your e-bike folds smaller than most coffee tables. Versatile adventure companion, the Narrak electric folding fat tire bike excels in combining off-road durability with folding convenience, making it a standout in electric biking. Ideal for RV adventures, camping, trail riding, and beach or boardwalk outings, it's designed to tackle any terrain and compact enough to fit in your car or truck, ensuring quick setup for endless exploration. Durable and ergonomic design, the Narrak electric bike features a robust, foldable step-through slashover frame and shock-absorbing front fork for a smooth ride on any terrain. Its detachable luggage rack and high-end aluminum saddle support up to 280 pounds, ensuring a top-notch experience with every ride. Number 2. Wooken electric bike. Reliable commuting requires all-weather capability. The Wooken delivers with IPX5 waterproof rating, ensuring functionality during unexpected downpours. Its 500W motor provides 20 miles per hour cruising, while the battery offers 25 to 30 miles on throttle or 50 to 60 miles with pedal assist. Adjustable handlebars accommodate different rider heights and preferences. The balanced geometry creates stability without sacrificing maneuverability in tight spaces. When rain sends fair weather commuters scrambling for shelter, you'll ride on with dry components and a knowing smile. Note, if you have any questions, please contact our customer service team promptly using the email address provided in the product's electronic manual on the details page or by scanning the QR code. We will provide replacement parts and professional technical guidance. Peak 750W powerful and stable motor. This electric bike features a Peak 750W motor, which provides strong and stable power for your daily riding. With a max speed of around 20 miles per hour in Mode 3, this fat tire electric bike can meet your commuting and camping needs. 20-foot x 4.0 anti-skidding fat tires allow you to ride easily on snow, mountain, beach, and urban roads, bringing you the ultimate riding experience. Number 3. Jasion EB5. Varying trail conditions demand adaptive equipment. The Jasion EB5 delivers with front and rear suspension that transforms rocky, rooted terrain into manageable riding surfaces. The 350W motor, peaking at 500W, provides climbing power without overwhelming beginners. Its 360Wh battery supports 40 miles of mixed riding. The 26-inch tires balance clearance with control on technical sections. Trail sections that once made you wince become opportunities to test the impressive suspension capabilities. 1000W motor and upgraded display. The EB5 electric bike equipped with a 1000W peak motor, boosted a top speed of 20 miles per hour. The display panel has adjustable backlight brightness from 1 to 5 levels. In addition, the upgraded LCD display provides riding data support, such as ODO/max/AVG speed. PAS mode can be customized up to 3 modes. Removable large battery. The EB5 e-bike is equipped with a 500Wh battery, which covers a range of up to 25 to 40 miles per charge for 5 to 6 hours so that it can meet travel or daily commute needs. Removable battery makes charging more convenient whether you are at home or in the office.